3, 2, 1.
How many of Switzerland's mountains are at least 4,000 meters above sea level? The answer is D, 48. What is the change of state from a gas to a liquid? The answer is D, condensation. Which type of radiation provides astronomers with the most useful information about high-energy events such as stars colliding? The answer is A, gamma radiation. What physical property is characteristic of all of the elements in the group located in the rightmost column of the periodic table? The answer is B, gas state at room temperature. What physical property of the diamond do carats measure? The answer is B, mass. What is solid carbon dioxide commonly known as? The answer is D, dry ice. When was James Bruce born? The answer is B, 1770. What are misfolded versions of normal brain proteins? The answer is C, prines. By what year is the Muslim population expected to reach 3 billion? The answer is C, 2050. What happened after Carrie discovered her powers? The answer is C, she stopped being bullied at school. If the world were a village of 100 people, how many would have a college education? The answer is B, 1. In what year did horse racing start in Wincanton? The answer is D, 2003. How many Oppidan houses are at Eton? The answer is A, 24. Who was the first woman to serve on the U.S. Supreme Court? The answer is D, Sandra Day O'Connor. In what year did the Doomsday Project occur? The answer is D, 1986. Who is the Supreme Governor of the Church of England? The answer is A, the Sovereign. When was the deportation of Canadians? The answer is B, 1755. How many times has the Queen toured Canada? The answer is A, 11. In what year were the Pashtuns defeated and driven out of Iran? The answer is D, 1729. Which of these songs does Cameron Diaz perform in the 1997 romantic comedy My Best Friend's Wedding? The answer is C. I just don't know what to do with myself. A man and a woman are standing by a piano. The man and the woman play the piano together. What happens next? The answer is B. Switch places and continue playing the piano. Did this person enjoy getting an operation? The answer is A. Yes, they could not stop praising it. What may have happened if the mutation did not occur? The answer is C. He may not have survived. How essential is air for animals? The answer is B. It is necessary. When is the Gordie Howe International Bridge expected to open? The answer is A. 2020. When did the RSFSR continue to be a part of the Soviet Union? The answer is A. 91. Assuming the text was written today, what day is today? The answer is D. Today is Wednesday. To paint large pieces of wood for display case that covers length of a hallway, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a spray gun to cover the wood with paint. What may be the reason for their love of clothing? The answer is D. They have been influenced by their parents. When was there a reduction in the number of Scottish MPs? The answer is A. 2005. Remove dust from car crevices. How would you do this? The answer is A. Wrap double-sided tape around a tree branch. When was the Sentinel newspaper introduced?
The answer is B. 2012.
What may happen during the rewiring process? The answer is D. They will live somewhere else temporarily. What year were the earliest plants that grew wood discovered? The answer is C. 2011. Which of these qualities represents the major difference between watercolor and acrylic paints? The answer is C. Level of opacity. What is the name of the zebra voiced by Chris Rock in the 2008 animated comedy movie Madagascar, Escape to Africa? The answer is B. Marty. In what year was the most expensive Korean movie in history released? The answer is C. 2007. How do I feel about this trip? The answer is D. I feel like it's cursed. What modern slang term once meant a carnival worker who performed disgusting tasks such as biting off the heads of live chickens? The answer is B, geek. Why might they refrain from returning to the restaurant? The answer is D, they did not like the food they had. Why does the Sundance Kid not jump off the cliff into the water to escape inevitable death in the Western film Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid? The answer is A, he can't swim. To cut a Q-tip in half, how would you do this? The answer is A, use a pair of pliers. When was Maharaja Ranjit Singh born? The answer is C, 1839. Why did the iguana probably go to the pole? The answer is B, he wanted to explore. What still needs to get done? The answer is D, the bug guy need to come and check for infestation. In what year did the Los Angeles Metropolitan Transportation Authority buy the Expo line from Southern Pacific? The answer is D, 1953. Which likely would taste most similarly to sugar? The answer is C, a tangerine. Pat is learning how energy flows through an ecosystem. Pat understands that animals get energy from plants. What do plants do that allow animals to get energy from them? The answer is D, plants make sugar in the presence of light. What may happen after my son gets done with it? The answer is A, become an active duty soldier. When did Greece adopt the euro as its currency?